Welcome to my second home, Cleveland, Ohio. Cleveland is the hub for KHM Travel Group, located in the suburb of Brunswick, just south of the city. We know the world is your oyster, but we encourage you to make Cleveland your classroom. Many of our in-person events take place at the home office, but we know that agents love to explore the cities they're in. So let's take a look at all that Cleveland has to offer. The Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, a must-see for music lovers. It's right on the lakefront and packed with iconic memorabilia from the legends of rock. The Westside Market, a Cleveland classic. This historic indoor market has over 100 vendors selling everything from pierogies to pastries to fresh produce. Cleveland Museum of Art, one of the top free art museums in the country with over 60,000 works of art from around the world. East 4th Street, a trendy pedestrian-only street in downtown Cleveland, packed with restaurants, bars, and live music venues. It's lively at night and great for dinner after a conference session. The Playhouse Square is Cleveland's vibrant theater district and the second largest performing arts center in the U.S., known for its stunning historic venues and Broadway-caliber shows. If you decide to come in a bit early or stay a bit longer, there's so much to see and do. Ultimately, it's about what you're learning and who you're learning it with, not where you're learning it.